it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're reacting to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 for the first time. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 with a song called Easy. So I was chilling last night and then we see a message from a bridging 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Big up myself, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Message me on Snapchat and say, yo, dog, I don't react to 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 yet. I say, what? So the reason for a little bit, anima remind me of who named 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Never know say the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 song put out because I actually see him on Instagram when I'm in our studio. I sing. Our man there asks if I'm a Jamaican, you see me? Because him sound like a foreigner. So that goes to show you how much talent there at Jamaica. Like our local talent. Our local talents are very talented. So we're gonna jump in the one and hear where the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 say for the first time.
Pull up! Yo!
Street vibes rhythm. Yeah. Easy. Let's go.
Nice when them say party, we go hard, Campari, rum bar. Every cup where we drink coffee tall. Ease off when you see the young star step. Ain't nobody wanna leave just yet. Where them feel this a legacy. Say them calm, but them is just a wanna be. See pray. Feel we vibe just sweet. Anyway we did. But some drop steam up in place. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Not nice. Let me say something to you, dog. Why you close out the rhythm so early, brother? We don't rhythm like this. No artists, but if you go on the rhythm, you don't put them on the rhythm. But me understand, say, you don't want to come out the thing. Me understand your thing still, but dog, yeah, me close out rhythm too quick, dog. Make your rhythm run a couple more, dog. I want to blood Claudia, that nice. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓, easy. I want to easy.
When them say party, we go hard, Campari, rum bar. Every cup where we drink coffee tall. Ease off when you see the young star step. Ain't nobody wanna leave just yet. Where them feel this a legacy. Say them calm, but them is just a wanna be. See pray.
Yeah, they're not calm like him, G.
Anyway we did, but some drop steam up in place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine with the lane.
Oh, this 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓, I'm thinking about it. This 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓. Cause that rhythm I probably first drop when time 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓 probably in a nappy. Or they even born yet. It depends on them age. All this 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓.
Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine with the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we hold them streets, them my friend. We do it easy. When I see the free, they say buckle, but me tell them to put you bar on the easy, take that, easy, take that, easy, snatch that, easy. Alright. Riri, me believe me. Tequila, I sip with the kiwi. Easy.
What, Riri?
Riri, me believe me. Tequila, I sip with the kiwi. Easy. Vibe on the ground like weekly. Energy on the low, and I need it. Tell the people your texts are man for delete it quickly. Cause we going on. The people your texts are man for delete it quickly. Cause we going all night. Cruising in all white. Party till dawn light. Mix that cup just right. Oh my word. Young Jeep on the scene. Sprint up on the trap we are lead.
Yo, not nice, give this a blood clap mixing. Sorry, not nice, give that one a rotted mixing of that. Not joking of that. Not nice, big up, bro. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓, bro. We can't play that one time, bro. Jano.
Nice when them say party,
we go hard.
Campari, rum bar. Every cup where we drink coffee
tall.
Ease off when you see the young star step. Ain't nobody wanna leave just yet. Where them feel this a legacy. Say them calm, but them is just a wanna be. See pray. Feel we vibe just sweet. Anyway we did, but some drop steam up in place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine with the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we hold them streets, them my friend. We do it
We can't sing that, not joke.
Easy, get girl. Easy, take that. Easy, snatch that. Easy. Alright. Riri, me believe me. Tequila, I sip with the kiwi. Easy. Vibe on the ground like weekly. Energy on the low, and I need it. Tell the people your texts are man for delete it quickly. Cause we going all night. Cruising in all white. Party till dawn light. Mix that cup just right. Oh my word. trap, we a lead. For real.
My G, I know hot grab a left.
Sweet, anyway we with it. But some drop steam up in place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine on the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we wall them streets, them my friend.
We do it easy.
You know, see the pre. Did they say back up, but me tell them to put the bar on my feet. Pretty please speak to me now. Ease with the bra, ease with the floor. Alright, neat with the cup, she a do it in the club. She is a pro with the waistline. She no need any teacher. Anytime that waistline reach her. Believe me, everybody we under the league. I feel sweet. Anyway,
Me feel about that. Watch out.
anytime that waistline reach her. Believe me, everybody we under the league. I feel sweet. Anyway we with it. But some drop steam up in place. Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine for the lane. Next week, another party again. Easy, we wall them streets, them my friend.
We do it easy.
You know, see the pre. Did they say back up, but me tell them to put the bar on my feet. Sweet. Anyway we with it.
They say back up, tell them put the bar on my feet.
Fully locked in every day. Pull up in a machine for the lane. Another party again. Easy, we wall them streets, them my friend. You know, see the pre. Did they say back up, but me tell them to put the bar on my feet.
Clock. Clot. Riggs, thanks for the recommendation there, bro. I never even know so that song a drop. Where do I start? Him sign? JAMAICA'S sign? JAMAICA, if you're not sign, you see when you go sign, make sure you read your contract. Read your contract, get your lawyer them to look on the contract. Get a lawyer, brother. Spend your money, get a team around you. If you don't have one already, and do the thing right. Don't make them rob you. Cause they will if them get the chance, bro. Your talent is out of this world, bro. And you're young. You see me? Your talent is out of this world and you're young. Don't make the music business use you and stress you out, use you and take everything and left you with nothing, bro. We see it happen to all countless of talented artists, bro. You see me? You're young, bro. You have the image, you have the voice, you have the you have the aura about you, bro. Like you have it, bro. You see me? All you need around you is a strong team, bro. You need a strong team who knows what the hell they're doing, bro. Yo. Can I say something? And people probably not gonna agree with me, but I don't give a shit. This youth, yeah, have the potential to become run piece of dance all brother. No joke. And Nige boy, them two youth there, two young artists them, but talented out of this world, bro. Big up on yourself, dog. I'm proud. Like, what a time for be listening to dancehall music. JAMAICA, big up yourself, bro. Rating star, bro. The first man I listen to one of your songs, them. But I have to go check out some more, bro. Your clarity and peak, your vocal is up. Not nice with the bad mix as usual, but not nice. Big up yourself, bro. JAMAICA, big up, bro. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. I'm not gonna long it out much. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the reaction and I want some more from LG, you know what to do already. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Jeez. Talented youth. No joke.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rip, connect.